Welcome to the Sustainable Interior Showroom. My name is Suzanne Smith with Navy Region Southwest. The showroom was created by Navy Region Southwest Environmental and NAVFAC's Southwest Interior Design in order to support the Navy's endeavor to achieve zero waste. The showroom consists of a demonstration area and a product library displaying sustainable choices for products commonly used in building interiors. Visitors can examine and test sustainable products as well as gather information to assist in streamlining their purchasing process. It is an acquisition requirement to evaluate multiple manufacturers and address sustainability criteria. The team of interior designers spent 2 years researching, comparing, and collecting data in order to develop performance specifications and flexible design standards used throughout Navy Region Southwest.
My name is Lisa Hexon, Head of NAVFAC Interior Design, and I will be your guide as we walk through the SIS. Our goal is to provide sustainable interior solutions and stop the cycle of purchasing budget-driven furniture only to have it end up in the landfill in a few years. Furniture should be purchased based on life cycle sustainability and cost effectiveness. In the long run, we all need to create sustainable building interiors that take into consideration future generations. In the short time we have, I would like to provide you with a brief overview of the abundant resources that are available in the showroom. Through extensive product analysis, the NAVFAC interior designers have determined minimum sustainable and performance requirements. We have evaluated all GSA manufacturers for systems furniture, ergonomic seating, wood case goods, and movable walls. The product analysis and performance requirements are available for clients to help them make an informed decision and compare products. The showroom is the only location available to the client where they can compare furniture manufacturers side by side. Showcased is furniture that allows for quick and easy reconfiguration, manufactured from materials emitting zero or minimal toxins, and are manufactured from recycled, recyclable, or rapidly renewable materials. Sustainable products typically come with warranties of 10 or more years, protecting the initial investment made by the Navy. Here in the showroom, we provide tours to a broad audience, ranging from various government agencies to businesses and universities. Because of this, we understand that not everyone has a grasp of the key terminology involved in sustainability. On this board, a range of helpful information from terminology definitions, lead rating systems, Navy Region Southwest sustainability policy, and other current project updates are on display. The board also contains a section where vendors participating in the showroom can display information about their products. These vendor product informational panels can be found next to many of the products displayed throughout the showroom. This is the functional conference room that has a bamboo table, which is rapidly renewable resource, meaning we are not damaging forests by specifying this wood. The bamboo is FSC certified, meaning it's from a managed forest. These chairs are not only ergonomic, they are also one of the first cradle-to-cradle certified chairs, meaning the chairs will never end up at a landfill. They are completely recycled at end of life. The majority of chairs in the showroom are made with natural fibers or renewable recycled fibers, and the foam cushions are soybean-based rather than petroleum-based, allowing them to be easily recycled at end of life. Movable walls can provide flexibility and quiet separation between spaces during meetings or conferences. If at any time the wall needs to be reconfigured or moved to another facility, it can be relocated, and 98% of the wall can be reused, with the tracking at the top and bottom being the only part that needs to be replaced. This is a great change from drywall that normally would be dumped into a landfill after its one-time use. The flooring in this space is one of the few American-made porcelain tiles. The black tile contains 85% recycled content and creates a great entranceway into the space. A majority of offices provide a break room kitchen area for employees. We stress that employees not bring in old, inefficient appliances, but rather have new Energy Star appliances. There are recycled containers for bottles and cans, as well as a water filtration system that takes city tap water and adds further filtering process to purify the water, and it tastes great. Employees can refill reusable containers rather than purchasing bottled water and constantly discarding bottles. These modular cabinets are a great solution to projects when custom fabricated cabinets are cost prohibitive. These cabinets can be purchased on GSA schedule and can easily be taken out and relocated to another facility for use. All of the countertops in the kitchen are made of recycled concrete with embedded recycled glass and shells. It provides both durability as well as an aesthetically beautiful surface. Allowing natural light into a space is one of the most important design features of any successful project. This low-maintenance solar shade allows for adjustments throughout the day at different times of the day, as well as providing an outdoor view. This is a durable and easy-to-maintain ash, resin, impregnated flooring. It can withstand high-volume foot traffic and can be installed with non-toxic adhesives. This is the NAFAC Interior Design Library and one of the largest GSA libraries on the West Coast, containing almost all GSA resources available. In this one-stop shop, a client can gather valuable information about furniture, carpet, and fabrics needed for their project. In order to be space efficient, all of the showroom vendors' catalogs are located in high-density filing systems that reduce the footprint of the building and allow for high-density filing to be possible within limited space constraints. The flooring is linseed oil and wood pulp natural linoleum that comes in a variety of colors. This type of flooring qualifies for many LEED points and needs nothing other than buffing for maintenance. LEED, Leadership in Energy Environmental Design, encourages global adoption of sustainable green buildings and implements universally understood and accepted performance criteria. Just outside the product library is an education area where visitors can learn about the process for raw materials to become finished products. For example, the process from plastic bottle chips spun into fibers that become carpet pads. This area also provides useful matrix sheets that can be used by clients to pinpoint the furniture that best fits their individual needs based on project requirements as well as sustainable materials. This office space is for a manager. The wood furniture is made from FSC certified wood, which means that all the wood has been harvested from sustainably managed forests. It is also Green Guard certified, meaning it does not emit toxic VOCs when it off-gases. If you take a look at the floor, you will notice it is raised. Raised flooring is a great feature because it allows for all electrical and data lines to be run below the flooring, rather than having multiple external conduits on the wall. As the need for relocation or reconfiguration emerges, the flooring system will allow for change without relocation of HVAC, electrical, or data connections. If the floor is pressurized, it has the capability of allowing heating and cooling air conditioning control for individual employees. The number one complaint in buildings today is the lack of individual controls for heating and cooling. This area is where all of the interior designers work and is a unique testing ground where the products of the showroom are utilized in a day-to-day work environment to assure that they are ergonomic, durable, and quality products. We are well aware that not all employees have the same needs within a workstation, and because of this, each of these workstations offer different storage capabilities, layout, and design, so clients can determine their individual requirements. All of the carpet within the office is carpet tile rather than broadloom or rolled carpet because it can be easily moved to other locations. If the carpet is stained, that square section of the carpet can be easily removed and replaced rather than replacing the entire carpet area. All manufacturers of the carpet shown in the SIS use recycled content and will recycle the carpet at end of life. They will even recycle another manufacturer's carpet if their carpet is specified. Some of the fiber companies will buy back the fiber and recycle that as well. Functionality was key when designing these workstations. We want to give clients flexibility in their facilities and make better use of real estate. Within the workstations, panels are used to support files, overhead storage, whiteboards, phones and pencil holders, and tack boards. This allows the work surface to free up for spreading out work, rather than being confined to a small area. These options provide customization on individual employee basis. File cabinets can have countertops placed on them to provide extra space, storage slots with a cushion bench on top of it, and movable tables on wheels that can be placed wherever it is needed in the office. These particular ceiling tiles are made from 100% recycled content and at the end of life can also be recycled. Visitors checking their email can connect to phone or internet, and this chair provides the capability. It is made from bio-based fabrics and is part of a take-back program as well.
Sustainability isn't limited to indoor spaces. Our outside courtyard area features recycled content furniture, water-wise plans, and other functional yet aesthetically pleasing products. The courtyard provides a quiet oasis while educating staff and visitors about sustainability. Stormwater runoff has long been a concern regarding contamination of the ocean and other local waterways. Pervious concrete is a best management practice you can use to minimize stormwater runoff. The concrete is porous and allows water to percolate back into the groundwater table. This feature reduces stormwater sheet flow across parking lots and walkways, minimizing contamination and water pollution. To easily identify all sections of the showroom, we created a winding path containing 100% recycled green and blue glass. Not only does this feature offer a nice visual break from plain concrete, it is slip resistant. This minimizes the use of salt, which would be a stormwater contaminant that could enter local waterways. Often, employees need to take a break outside or to enjoy a quiet space to eat their lunch. All of the outdoor furniture is made from 100% recycled content and is easily recycled once it has reached the end of its service life. The outdoor products stand up well to harsh UV rays and are weather resistant. Employees have the choice of sitting at benches, tables with chairs and umbrellas made from 100% recycled aluminum, or enjoying rocking chairs made of 100% recycled milk jugs. To create a more aesthetically pleasing environment within the courtyard, water-wise, low-maintenance trees and plants were placed throughout to provide shade and aid in muffling loud noises from the surrounding area. Concrete panel walls provide a visual and noise barrier to outdoor mechanical equipment located within the courtyard. These panels are 50% the weight of typical concrete walls and cure within 30 days at 3,000 psi, as does a normal concrete wall. The product consists of lightweight styrofoam beads and fly ash, material that would otherwise be disposed in the landfill. The concrete panels are easily and 100% recyclable at end of life. As you can see, the panels can be made in a variety of textures and colors. Since they are modular and hollow, the panels can be used for temporary and permanent buildings and structures, as well as mounted on wheels to use as movable barriers. The wall core is hollow, allowing easy configuration and modification of electrical, water, and data lines. As you have learned during the tour, the purpose of the Sustainable Interior Showroom is to educate and share information about implementing sustainability in our daily routine. Our goal at Navy Region Southwest is to purchase sustainable, flexible furniture and consider life cycles with long warranty periods. Everyone needs to change the way we purchase and create sustainable workspaces while minimizing negative impacts to future generations. By providing a functional, hands-on education area focused on the elements of sustainability, the Navy's commitment to green purchasing, waste reduction, sound environmental stewardship, and financial responsibility to taxpayers is demonstrated. Lisa or I would be happy to give you a tour if you are interested in more detailed information. You can contact us directly or take a look at some of our product analysis on the Navy Region Southwest website or the interior design page of the NAVFAC Southwest portal. In closing, I am reminded of the words spoken by President Theodore Roosevelt more than 100 years ago. He said, "I recognize the right and duty of this generation to develop and use our natural resources, but I do not recognize the right to waste them or to rob by wasteful use the generations that come after us." Thank you for visiting the Navy Region Southwest Sustainable Interior Showroom.